trade has pushed really.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're with me, Mr. Friendly Neighborhood Millionaire with ZSource Forex. I just want to say thank you very much for everybody that has been following me throughout. I really appreciate you. For the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Here where we keep it very simple. Okay, so as I said, the page is growing. As soon as we hit 600 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a free system to one of the lucky winners. All you have to do to participate or be part of this draw is just comment, share the video. Okay, that's it. Comment, share the video. So yeah, without further ado, let's go into how did we manage to bag the VIX 50 trade. Okay, so basically we were looking at the daily time frame. Okay, so what did we see as far as the daily time frame goes when it comes to this? Okay, so first thing first, we did notice that the market did make a what we call a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so this was a neckline. For those that don't understand what head and shoulders pattern, I will explain in a bit. So this was the pattern that the market made. First shoulder, the head, the second shoulder, and then broke the neckline, retested it. Then after we saw some momentum shift, we did take our buys somewhere there. Okay, where are we anticipating that the market might reach? Somewhere in these zones here. Okay, that's why eventually our take profit might be. Okay, but if we decide, we might close out the trades, because you never know. The market is very much manipulated, but anyway, it is what it is. So but after seeing this head and shoulders, what did we do? We went down to our 1 hour time frame to further break down the market, to understand exactly what it is doing, because you don't have to just enter based on what you have seen on your higher time frame. It has to correlate with your lower time frames. Okay, so once it does, when the day we were looking at this, I did post this trade on my status on WhatsApp for those that don't follow me, but for those that follow me, they did see me post this trade and talk about it, to say we are anticipating a move to the upside. Okay, as far as the daily goes. Okay, so where were we when we took our first trade? Because we did enter this trade twice. Okay, so right here we did see this triangle form. Okay, so I was like, okay, since we're in a triangle, I want to see a triangle break and get retested. So initially I did consider this minor break, retest, then I took my first buy. My take profit was in here, because as far as the triangle goes, the first take profit is always where the first touch of the triangle was. Okay, so if you zoom that in, so the take profit was here, and eventually this buy trade hit my take profit. Okay, then the market started reversing down, and remember, we were touching down on a long-term support, so definitely the market was gonna go up. Okay, but when it started pushing this move, I wasn't there. Okay, then I just saw a drastic move to the downside. I knew it was coming back in here. Then my opportunity again came to say, okay, I can enter again in this trade. So I did enter this trade based on structure on my lower time frames. Okay, the lower time frames is what gave me the confluence to enter my buy. Okay, then the second buy that I did was based on this. Okay, so there was a zone that was here, retested. First it was broken, then retested here. After this momentum, my system, the synthetic indices system, gave a buy signal here. That's how we jumped on it. You need to get yourself the system, guys, if you haven't yet. It's something that is very powerful. It can change your trading career altogether. Okay, other than that, you can also subscribe to our signals group. It's only going at $30 only per month. Gets you in, guys. December, don't be broke. Let's make money together. Okay, so as far as the analysis goes, this is how we entered the first trade and the second trades, and look at where the market is right now. It is showing some signs of weakness here, but anyway, the thing is it might come back to retest this zone, but we have moved most of our take profits in profit, in our stop losses in profit, sorry. So even if the market was to reverse, we would lose a bit of some money, but not everything. Okay, so this is as far as the analysis goes of VIX 50, how we managed to get this buy. Let me just show you how my system added an extra confluence to what I saw. Okay, how did the system help us in these two trades? Okay, or how can the system help you if you decide to get it when you're trading? Okay, so as far as we're concerned, this is a 1 hour time frame, VIX 50. Okay, so now if we zoom out, we do realize to say, okay, this was the zone we were talking about. The market has been respecting this zone for quite a long time, the one that I'm calling the long support that the market has been touching. Okay, so we drew that trend line there after our analysis. We drew that trend line there. So okay, that's the trend line we're on. Yeah, so the first time I saw this trade, we were stuck in this triangle here. Okay, before the market even went all the way this side, the market was somewhere here. I did share to say I'm waiting for a break above this line, a retest, then if momentum allows, I can jump into a buy. Okay, of which I did buy here. My first take profit was here, because remember, the rules of a triangle is that the first part where the market touched, which is here in this area here, is where the first take profit is when the market breaks out. So did bag some profits here. I did share them on the Facebook page. Okay, so market did come down after bagging them some profits back into this long-term support. Okay, I didn't enter another buy here because I was busy doing something. The market did move above, then immediately it came into this zone again. I said, this is my opportunity. I went down to my lower time frames. I took my buys, and I can guarantee you to say somewhere here there should be a signal of a buy. Okay, somewhere just down below here there should be a signal of a buy, because why? This is a very accurate system that gives you buy or sell signals depending on the trend of the market. The trend was moving up, but definitely looking for buys. Okay, so somewhere here there should be a signal if we drop down to a smaller time frame. But before we drop down, I want to explain how I entered the second trades as well. Okay, so the market was pushing up. Remember, there was resistance here. The market came down. So what did I do? Initially I put these trades into break even after the market was in here, because I anticipated, okay, maybe the market might come down to this zone to touch down again, the trend line to move up. But immediately it broke. I waited for that retest. This was a retest. Okay, and after the retest there was a signal here, somewhere here. I'll show you later, but let me just remove this. Okay, but somewhere here I can put a small line as well, so that you know to say this is where we took our trade. Somewhere here there should be a signal, either there or somewhere below, somewhere there should be a signal. Okay, so now let's drop down to our 5-minute time frame to see where our signals were and why you should get this system, guys. Stop losing money in the market. I know it's not nice. I know you're tired. You see, this was our first buy signal. Okay, advantage, you can receive it direct to your phone, say buy now or sell now. Okay, so the buy signal is here. The system did tell us to put a stop loss here or there, and look at how the market went. There were some more buy signals here you could have taken, and you could have been in profit, because why? You know that this market is in an uptrend, so definitely you're looking for buys. Okay, the second signal you see here, this is the one I took yesterday. Immediately the close of the market gave a signal here. I waited for this candle to close, closed, then I took my buy. Look at how the market has been moving. There are more buy signals. Right now there's another buy signal here, and the market is pushing to the upside. So in simpler terms, all I can say is get yourself a system, stop losing money. Only $65, cheap. Yeah, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let's talk business. Then you can also join our Signals group, which is only $30 per month. Very cheap as well, so that you can boost that account and maybe you can afford a system later on. Other than that, thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. Remember to share this video with your friends. Let's make this money, guys. We're in this together. Let's make money. It's your friendly neighborhood millionaire with Zesos Forex. Remember, a peep a day keeps poverty away. Peace.